Going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, founder of the Mojo. How's everybody doing? Nice to see you today in the house. Little Bitcoin dip. What should you do? Buy it or what? Who knows? Can't even look at that. That's Miss Bitcoin. She's so, oh my goodness gracious. Let's just say hello to Miss Bitcoin for a couple of moments. Hi, Miss Bitcoin. I'm sure she ain't no missus eating an ice cream cone like that. So what should we do in the Mojo room, dudes? Let's head on over there. Say hello to the team. Yo, dudes, what happened in the Mojo room today? Let's see what happened in the Mojo room. We made money in the Mojo room today. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Marking some great things with the futures, man. The futures is the way. Risking 2 cents on a trade right there. NNDM. This is the morning routine right here. Nailed out some team awesome. And I had two little things on my hat earlier. I was asking everybody why you think I had that on my hat. Slow and steady for the profits. They are ball markers, but all you need is 2. Do one trade, take it off, put it on your desk. Do another trade, take the other one off, put it on your desk. You're done for the day. That's the business. Make 2 birdies a day, you're a professional, bro. So Mojo did that at 9:30 in the morning. Mojo, $2,330 off the futures game this morning. As it was going to 14,300, absolutely. And then we got involved with the stock, naked, making a little move. But this was the one. Everyone had its day, and trading paused at 9:42 a.m. due to volatility. 36 million traded. It was a 748. 748 ENTX. Made 2,735 on them futures today. Welcome, Pro Trader. Well, I can just call you Steven. X-Even. X-Man. To the room today. This one was a beast. Look at that. ENTX went to 845 in the Mojo room today. Mojo made 167 shares left at 688 average cost. See right here. Unrealized 261, realized 42.22. Bang at 850. Right here 6. That's where Mojo nailed it. So if you were in the Mojo room today, you got that one, baby. Yeah, you did. So let's see what Batman did today. Batman made $474 distracted. He's always distracted. He's either like in a conference room doing meetings, or he's making thousands of dollars doing that, or he's like this is what he likes to do in New York. He like gets into a trade and then he'll like take the elevator up, and that like makes the stock go and the trade go higher. And then when he gets out on like whatever, if he wants to, if he wants a big profit, he'll go up to the top floor. But otherwise, depending upon how he goes 10 floors, 15 floors, gets out, Wi-Fi comes back on, gets out of the trade, and makes profit. Through the hinds, you just can't look at it sometimes. You just gotta trust. So welcome you guys. Here's a one right here, up 102 ticks. Trading the futures this morning. 102 ticks. That's a $500 profit right there. On 102 ticks. In the Mojo chat room. On the Trade-O-Vate platform. That's this platform right here. I'll show you. Trade away. Right here. So it's commission free. Futures are here. Oh, dude, look, no commissions and no margin. Look at that, dude. Like that. Micro Bitcoin futures. Best broker of 2020. It's an amazing platform. Modern futures platform. You have a 14-day free trial. Tradeovate.com is the site. Little Tradeovate. What's up? Test 100% complete and accurate. Testing 100% complete. Pop out my chat for you. Love this little tune. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. We made money today in the Mojo room, dudes. I don't know about you guys, but we made some moolah jula today. And if you like making moolah jula, dude, hit that pound and like button and smash it, dudes. That's what we like to do. Cheers. You like my car? That's my Corvette right there. You like that, baby? Look at that, baby. I have to move the mic. Look. Let me show you. That's a nice one, right? Beauty. Look at that microphone. That microphone's nice, dude. There's my poker chips. There's my Dachshund. My Hulk. I got Mr. Hulk right here. That's what I did this morning. I did that this morning. Fucking rage, baby. Alright, let's get back to the action. So that's the, they have a lot of integrations and things like that on. So this one, Protogenics Therapeutics. Take a look, guys. Mojo swing pick, it's rising. It's rising, dude. Playing in this tournament too. Right here. Yeah, you should just do the 14-day trial. Why do you have to go through the whole thing and set up and do all this stuff, man? I just told you to go get a 14-day trial. Trade on it for a couple of days. Let's get into the coach. You haven't done it. And you like it. That's what the coaching is, dude. I'm like, listen, this is what we're going to do. We're going to play some golf. I'm going to coach you. This is what you got to do. You got to go to Dick's Sporting Goods or PGA Superstore. Your choice. And you got to go get a set of clubs. A practice set. So we can go to the range and practice. Make sure the game is so spot on. You really not grooving on the practice. You're going to make a lot of mistakes on them practice clubs. Then once we're all done and groomed, we go register for the tournament. You get the real clubs, dude. Then you do what you did. Step ahead of yourself, brother. Come on, man. Dude, these are the best cashews ever. If anybody likes cashews out there, and the disclaimer, dude, these are good for your health, man. These cashews, these honey sweet cashews, right here, you can get them at Publix, Hampton Farms. They're next to like the orange juice section, and they're next to the orange juice and all the other nuts. That's so good. Already expired. Okay. How about that? Why don't you try that? You got one of those, Peps. You know what I'm saying? Definitely can do that, right? Use another email address. All right, so anyway, let's get back to the main screen. Them honey sweet cashews are good, dude. Really good. Really solid cashews. I ate them all. So I'm playing in this tournament. right here. And let's see where I am. All right, I'm 5th. Ooh, I gotta play another hole right here. This is the hole 5 out of 9, par 4 qualifying round for the weekend tournament coming up here. So let's take a look at the markets, man, while that's playing. The stock market, the Dow Jones. How did it name Dow Jones? Joneses, a lot of Joneses back then or something. The guy's name was Dow. Why is it called Dow Jones? Why is it called Dow Jones? Let's see. It's called Dow Jones. It was built by Charles Dow and Edward Jones of the Dow Jones and Company. There you go, dude. That's great. I'm going to take that and I'm going to add it to my day trading school for dummies. I think it may be in there. But I got a school for dummies, dude. Oh, my shot. Phew. All right, so now I just messed up on that shot, dude, because I wasn't ready. Damn, dude. Damn. So I got the day trading school for dummies right there. I'm going to add that in there. I got what is day trading, but I don't think what is the Dow. The art of not trading. Candlesticks. The wow trade. All these trade plays. Stochastics. What's a bull flag? What's a double bottom? What is day trading? You need a trading account. Importance of a routine. Typical day trade schedule. Here we go. Pre-market video. No room has as many profitable traders. I gotta go for the big shot here. I gotta go for the hook shot across the lake. Watch and wind up by the green. See if I can do it. I don't think so. That's in the water. Oh well. So yeah, this is back in the day. Pro Trader Jim, Medrin, Brian, Gerardo, Mark. Pro Trader Ramey testimonial right there. Nice. Ramey, dude, he's cool. He's a professional trader now. Ramey. Pro Trader Ramey. So that's Mojo U. What are small caps? Dude, there's some good examples in here, dude. Small caps. Some great stuff, dude. You gotta watch this. Look at this. Let's check out this. This is XBio buying 500 at 507, 500, buying at to go through 5 and selling 34, selling 591. Ooh, that was an amazing one. XBio. Scaling sequence to buy into Heinz for a 9G profit. Nice. It's pretty crazy. But I don't have to put that in there. Why is it called the Dow Jones? Why is it called the S&P 500? S, Standard & Poor's. There's a guy standard and there's a guy poor. It's gotta be, right? Why is it called Standard & Poor's? Why is it called S&P 500? It was introduced in 1957 as an index that tracks the financial crisis to become known as the Great Recession. Second, there's no Standard and Poor's 500. Why is it called Standard and Poor's? I guess that's someone that does. What is it? Standard and Poor's is a company well known as the creator of the financial market indices used as benchmarks. An issuer of credit rating for companies and debt obligations, best known for its S&P 500 index. The company roots back 1860s. Okay. That's some good things on the, what is this S&P? That's another good thing to add into the school. What's the Dow and what's the S&P? Who called it the NASDAQ? That's another good one. Why is it called the NASDAQ? An acronym for the National Association of Securities Dealers. Automated quotations, founded in 1971. So now I got all three of them. The Dow, the S&P, and the NASDAQ. Now, let's head over to crypto land. Crypto land. Back to the chat room and into crypto land. Now let's see what the picks were yesterday. We have Ethereum buying the dip under 2,000. I love that one. Ethereum. Do I like Bitcoin? Let's see. If Bitcoin is in there, I like it. If it ain't in there, I don't like it. Why don't I like it? Because it's a meme stock. It's a meme coin. It's got no rhyme and it's got no reason. Bitcoin is like you use $1,000 bill a lot? Nah. You save it for a souvenir, man. You see that in the background? That little thing I got right here. This Bitcoin. There you go. There's your Bitcoin, guys. There you go. Keep it in a little case, man. Keep it in a little case. The Bitcoin right there. See that? With the B, the Bitcoin. There's the bit right there. There's the Ripple, Ethereum, Monero, Litecoin, and Dash. And I do accept Bitcoin. I do accept Bitcoin. But I'm not buying Bitcoin. Buying Ethereum. Buying Ethereum. Let me show you why. Everyone says, you know, you're a piece of the protocol. Well, here's the blockchain and the world. That's the world, guys. It's the world as we know it. It's the world as we know it. So now, this is Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin's what, 30,000 a coin? Isn't that right? 30,000. Let me tell you what happened with the Bitcoin. Let me tell you. Listen. All you know is Bitcoin went to 60,000. All you know. All you know. Here's your side chart. So you got 3,000, 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, 30,000. And there's not too many left. 40, 50, and the top, guys, at 60,000. Ethereum at that time, 4,000. Ethereum at this time, 4,000. Okay? And we're going to circle these in orange because this is the Ethereum. Ethereum, believe it or not, when Bitcoin was back in the day, when it made its first move up, right here, from 1,000 to 19,000. It actually spiked from 16 and 15 and 14, and it did a 3,000 point spike, which I presume was an auto close from all the shorts. Once it touched through 10,000, went 11, everyone started shorting it. It squeezed where it did a flash from about 16,000 all the way up to 19,000. And then from here, Bitcoin went all the way back down to 3,000. And everyone hated Bitcoin. Bitcoin is for criminals. Bitcoin is the worst, just like today. Everyone's saying the same. Bitcoin's going out of business. And there is a problem bigger because China has eliminated Bitcoin mining because it's just bad for the environment. It's like inventing a car. When you first invented a car and you didn't care what kind of gas it took to run the car and what it did to the environment, you just love that it got you from point A to point B and made you a lot of money. And that's what Bitcoin did. But now it's ruined because China was so greedy. I'm going to do it first and I'm going to get the most. Well, they ruined the most. They did it first. They do everything first. So they banned it. Now they're selling all the Bitcoin equipment to Texas and here in the United States. We're just going to follow their path. There needs to be another way to mine the last ending bits of Bitcoin. And once Bitcoin's all done and mined, it'll be done on the transactions back and forth on Bitcoin. However, Bitcoin is just a little fraction. So right here, the other whole rest of the pie, and I'll do it in black, from here all the way to here, the whole rest of the pie is Ethereum. Why? Ethereum is a contract between two things, an agreement. And in this day and age, I don't know about you, but I'm not taking no one's word for nothing. You want it? Pay for it. I have an agreement to buy it. You've got an agreement to sell it. Done on the Ethereum blockchain. And that relates to anything and every industry in the entire world. So Ethereum is multi-purposed, and every other coin, this coin, all these offsets called altcoins, ALT, they're called altcoins. Alternative coins, they're called. And these coins, like Ethereum, was made to offset the imbalances and things that Bitcoin cannot do. You're not going to go into a store and buy a loaf of bread with Bitcoin. Bitcoin takes 60 transactions and verifications on the blockchain to send from one to the other. There's no store that you're going to stand in for an hour waiting for the transaction to go through, and there's no store in today's age that's going to say, pay me all that money or whatever it is in Bitcoin, and it's going to fluctuate. By the time it gets through, it could be worth more or less. It's not going to work like that. There needs to be faster, smaller denomination altcoins that were developed within the Ethereum world that's going to run the future. And the government is already doing it. It's called Diem. D-I-E-M. I'll show you. So if you don't think this is the future, guys, take a look. Diem. Diem Association. This is not it. Diem coin. Right here. Formerly Libra. Right here, Diem. I'll show you. Government. One key feature of Diem is that Diem coins are backed by reserves, including cash and short-term government securities. The reserves make Diem a stable coin, a type of cryptocurrency that attempts to maintain a stable price by linking it to the value of the pool of assets. December 1st of 2020. Right here, May of 2021. This was like 3 months ago. Diem plans to replace the US dollar stablecoin with a government digital dollar. Diem. Chief economist of Diem, formerly Libra, which had done with the Facebook thing, remember? Diem is committed to fading out the Diem dollar. If such a thing as a digital dollar issued by the Fed, right there, the public sector has a large comparative advantage in developing anything that has to do with stability, money, value preservation, and macro-prudential policy. We don't want to change that. In fact, we want to build on and take advantage of the infrastructure to accelerate the use cases for consumers domestically and globally. A key reason Diem would be willing to do that is it wouldn't rely on interest income on the reserves that back the stablecoin. Facebook, the economist didn't know as its partners, Facebook, why costs will be given the low potential scale, instead pointed to Diem's effective technology choices, privacy and competition, restrictions to DeFi. Diem. Central bank digital currency, CBDC. It's happening, folks. It's happening, it's happening, it's happening. Bank of Israel estimates less than 50% chance of digital shekel. All right, 50-50. Bank of Israel estimates less than 50% chance of a digital shekel. Yesterday, the Israeli press reported the deputy governor said the central bank issued a central digital currency as an internal pilot program, estimated only 20% likelihood of a digital shekel. It's risen a little over the past year, mainly because of the other countries are also focusing on it. Still less than a 50% chance. Well, it's better than a 10% chance. The second thing that perhaps will disappoint you is the digital currency of a central bank won't come to protect Bitcoin. It doesn't have to. What we're talking about is a payment system. You don't need Bitcoin. Bitcoin's not a stable coin. Bitcoin fluctuates. Create a Diem, USDT, US Tether, anything that's stable, that stays within the reserves of what you control, and it won't even move, and there you go, and then you can track every transaction that goes everywhere. A pyramid, it's not. It's the most secure transaction ever. It's ever. It's terrible. Terrible. Here's how the banks. Here's your bank. And here's the government. There's your bank. Here's your bank. Right? And here's your government. These guys, dude, have been buddy for a long time, dude. That's grandpa. That's grandpa. You know grandpa. Dude. Gramps is rich, dude. He's got all the stocks. He's the big banker, dude. Grandpa. He's in with the government. You know why? Because every single stock transaction, credit card transaction, bank transaction, any kind of monetary transaction that happens with this guy in the bank, the government gets a beautiful piece of that. They're partners like you, and the government makes sure, coming right back to you, baby, that you're protected so you can continue to roll in the flow. And these guys got the system booked. They're really nice. And then you got right here, this little box down here. This is the credit cards. This is Visa. And they're like, yo, I'm your little boy. Don't forget about me, dude. I collect a lot of fees too. Every time someone does something, I gotta have them have this plastic card, like your license. Thank gosh they don't charge you every time you license. So there you go. There's your plastic card. I'm going to charge you money every time you do something with it. And if you're a business that makes $1 million a year, I want like 20 or 30 grand of that. Just because I let people use my little plastic card. So they're all in cahoots to keep the system tight. And now, look who's in the picture. Ethereum. The powerhouse. Dun. Here comes Ethereum, dude. And know who that is? More power. That, my friends, is you and me. Guess what? Stock, no problem. You got some shares, I got some shares. It's decentralized finance. We could do it on Ethereum. Costs us nothing. And actually, every time we trade on this Ethereum blockchain, they pay us in that little fractional coin right there, that little slice. That's the DeFi coin that will get paid every time we do a stock transaction. Every time we walk into the bank of Ethereum, which is this coin, the free banking coin, it's going to cost us nothing. So to bank with that coin on our business on $1 million a year, we're going to save $30,000 a year just by banking on the Ethereum chain. The decentralized powerhouse below. That's blossoming like a flower and a seed. Watch out. The credit cards, Citibank, though, that's that one credit card that pays you 2% or something like that. They actually may survive. if they gobble up the other ones. But I don't know, dude. Everyone that wants to pay you to transact and for their money is the new future in the decentralized world. The government's going to track every transaction in it. They're going to track everything, dude, down there. Everything. That's a good picture, isn't it? That is a good picture. Viacom. Ooh, look at making a base breakout. Wow. In Viacom, dude. 42 sequence. Entry 10,000. Entry 1 right there. Sequence Viacom. Breaking out into a base. Viacom right here into 42 Hines sequence. 5,000 Ethereum. Just holy crap. Look at that 42 banger. Damn, I didn't buy it quick enough. It went to 42.40. Darnsky, man, I missed that jump because I was put it in the room. I'm gonna buy it back on the dip. 42 Crester again. We're adding at 90. $94, $95. Here it goes again. Heinzing 42. I ain't missing this one. 97, 98, come on, 97 again, 98, 99, 42 banger, there it is, 42. Yeah, boy! Sold 42.03, sold 42.04. It's not holding, but I sold 42 and change. Got 650 out of it so far. Gonna buy it back on this dip at 82 stopping station. Filled 79, 77. Great trade. Down 800, down 500, adding. Average 81, selling half in the high 80s, or I'm going to add low, adding in the 90s, or adding back down a little bit lower and seeing if it holds. Here we go, 85. It's got to hold here or I'm out. Sold half at 74. Half at 77. Nice. Cool live trading right there, dude. Good one came aboard. Now I just got to get on the right side of it. It's going all the way back to 42.40 at some point. They're just seeing this, squeezing it down. I'm going to buy some on the dip right here again. Average is 73. Here we go. Give me 80. It's either going to 80 or 50. I think it's going to 80. Nice little trader, huh? There's 74. $75, $76. A lot of filling going in, dude, like a villain. Viacom, CBS. There's a lot of filling going in like a villain. They ain't letting it go up. I got a red bar on that sucker now. First one. People be buying this dip. Trust me. Told you. 69, 70. Told you. Yeah, 75, 76 taken right now. Sold 76. Sold 78. Sold 79. Sold 82. Sold 84. Sold 88. Sold 90. Sold 94. Sold 4202. Sold 4206. 800 left. Sold 4208. Sold 4218. Told you it was going back up. Sold 4207. Boom. In the Mojo room. Did you guys get that in the Mojo room? Powerhouse. Power. Mojos. Mojos. Live. That's how we trade. Right? Nailed it. Right? Nailed it. Told you. That's how we do it. Sucking everyone out, baby. Nailed it. Thank you. It's how we rock. It's rock and roll. Let's head back to the party. 4207. Yeah, in our coaching later, dude. I'm on a show now. Don't you know that? And you keep on messaging me. Don't even have to say, I already know. Don't worry about it. But next, on the show, bro. I'm on the show. Plugs moving through 34. And fuel cell. Look, plug, fuel cell, power move. Came from 3360. I'll pass. Where's fuel cell come from? 945. Came from 916. Broadwind Energy's moving. All the energy stocks are moving. Broadwind, 490 by 91. This one looks unbelievable. Came from 450. You know who has this stock? Guess who has this stock, guys? Guess who owns Broadwind Energy and a lot of it? Guess. Guess who owns Broadwind Energy and a lot of it? You guys know? I'm not going to tell you if you don't know. Dude, Ethereum's 1948. No, not Zach Morris. You know who owns a lot of it? Warren Buffett owns a ton of that crap. Watch. Look. Right here. He's been in it a long time, dude. Broadwind Energy. He supplies the towers and shit. This is Buffett's baby, dude. Get away from me, dude. Look at that. That's Buffett's baby, dude. He's been waiting years for that thing to go, dude. That's Buffett, bro. Warren B. Dude, Mojo knows everything, dude.
Wow! Just wow! Major wow factor! Wow, 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 wow!
Ain't that unbelievable? He has turbines. He's in that. He got 1.9 billion in it, dude. And that was back in the day, dude. He's got a lot of money in that stock, dude. The Buffett. Right there, boys. Berkshire Hathaway, baby. Right there. God damn, you bastard, dude. Fucking pop-ups, dude. Kick its ass, dude. Bullshit. The pop-ups, bro. $42.40 now. New high on Viacom, dude. How good I could have sent it out as a newsletter pick, but there's no way I could have done it fast enough, dude. How was that, GS? How's that pick? You make money, Mr. Schnackleberries? Batman? You like that one? Killed it. Loved it.
You just nailed it.
Thank you, sir. Can I have another one? It's 70, dude. Can I have another one of those, Mojo? I'm selling half of my 100 left. Done. Dude, can I have another one of those, Mojo? Mojos, can I have another one of those? Please? You want another one? Done. OCGN. Long. Plowing like a hamrock right now. Long. 765, 70, add 80, 90. OCGN on the ram schlong. Right here, boys. Look. OCG, let's do it, killer billers. Traded 21,764,000. Pick some up. It goes lower, we dipper. Goes higher, we chipper. It's what we do. Gonna get 50,000 of them babies. Going up to 300,000. Gonna make 2 or 3 grand and get out. Or lose 2 or 3 grand and get out. OCG on the high spot, baby. Got the wish on the spike. Keep an eye on my wish. It ain't going nowhere. They all think it is, but it ain't. It ain't. Coinbase may be a good buy. Coinbase, maybe a good buy. Ooh, Dolphin, DLPN, that's Dolphin Entertainment. DLPN, that was a Mojo swing pick. Under $5, dude. Check this one out. Dolphin Entertainment at 9. Look. It went to $32.50. Dolphin. DLPN. Look at the date. Date's 3/24. You want a newsletter pick, dude? Look at this one. DLPN. Watch. Look at this pick, dude. You ain't going to believe this one. This is like utterly phenomenal. Picking up the dip. 58.59. Looking on the DLPN right now, dudes. Let me show you a winner. On 10/18. Look at this. At 73 cents, this stock was that I picked. Powerhouse, dude. Powerhouse. This stock was 73 cents. See it? 73, guys. I wanted it to go over 249. It had an insider buy with a base at 65 and 62 down here. 3 good quarters of greatness. So let's go Ken Slim wise right here. And we got the C and the A right here. Look at that. And they're going to go from a loss of 12 to a loss of 15 to a loss of penny. Is a 1,500% increase in their earnings per share. This fits the C and the A part of my formula, the Ken Slim. The N, what is new about this stock? They provide digital entertainment. Nailed it. S, shares outstanding, should have under 20 million, has around 30. It's prime. L, is it a leader? A B- in the group. A B is good for me. I, institutional sponsorship, 2%. Good for me. M, market momentum. Love it. Ken Slim, baby. 73 cents. Now, it went to $70. No, it went to $32 per share from 4, but I had it back here. Lower. Let's go to the weekly. 3. Stock went to 32. 32. Jeez Louise. Jeez Louise, Smudge. You know, I have every single swing pick I've ever done in 9 years on my MOJO Day Trading website. And it's not real at all. It's all fake because I've only sent out a newsletter, a fake one, every Sunday night to all these fake people for 9 years. But I haven't really sent it. I've pretended to send it. But I have an archive right here, my swing archive. And you can go back month after month. Here's February of 2013. These are all the swing picks I sent out, one after another after another. Same as they are now. Same as they are now. Let's go to 2000 and August. There was 70 of them. Right here. August of 2013. Medical marijuana. NVAX. Buying NVAX. NVAX is 300. Here it's $3. Get 3,000 shares. You have $1 million in that stock now. Kidding me? Look at this. Grow Life. Medical marijuana. Look at that. PEIX. Pacific Ethanol. Amazing, dude. Look how old these. Let's look at this one. Profit Time. Now let's look at video update. Solid rebound. Mojo called it correctly. Stay quick and nimble. It's not available no more. But I got that archive, dude. It goes back a long time. If you come into these newsletters, I have results right here. Every pick ever in the history of Mojo. Takes a couple of minutes to load because there's a lot of them. I have that right here. Give you a quick look at it. This month's pretty damn good too. Here's the master. So all the ones in green shows you how many days we've had it in the newsletter, what it took to make it work. You have Ashford Hospitality, 430 to 605. That was the second time. The first time was 238. Should be down there somewhere. You got AMC at 25 to 65 in 6 days. Fubo from 23 to 28. Lordstown Motors, Ride from 10 to 14. BBIG was 283 to 505. That was the 283 one. Here you go. Blink charging stations from 250 to 36, a 1,362 percenter. See some big. Here's one. OPTT from $1.05 to $4.05 in 44 days, followed by Prophase Labs from 3 to 6. Not many reds, man. Only set down 17%, 10%. This is when the market must have corrected. UV went from 16 to 23 in 16 days back in October of 2020. Here's Moderna at $4.55. Moderna is right now 213. Sold it at 62 for a 1,274% gain. Right now it would be up 4,581%. Could you imagine, dude? I wish I had that one still. Whew. Some people probably do. That's why they're subscribers of my newsletter for a long damn time. So guys, if you want to subscribe to this newsletter, and I'll give you my MOJO Day Trading chat room, go ahead and join. Do a BOGO and get both of them for the price of one today because you're listening. Hook you up. Here's 335% on UUU at 70 cents. Sold it at 3. It's at 881. Here's SPXU from 8 to 10 is 18. Here's Marathon Patent Group at 75 cents. Sold it at 4 is 27. So right now at 27, it'd be up 3,500%. Marathon Patent Group on 5/11 of 220. Amazing. Riot's in there too. If Mara's in there. See any more big ones? Here we go. AYRO from 265 to 7 is now 5. 166%. Here's Blink from 250 to 7. It's now 39. TITP Tiptree from 6 to sold at 6 is 9. Vuzi from 275 sold at 4 is 1773. USO at 4 sold at 25 is 50. NSTG Nanostring at 24 sold at 30 is 67. OGEN at 54 cents sold at $1.84, 71 cents. Any other big ones? Here's IDXG from 5 to 6 is 10. Some good names, man. Inpixion from $1 to $1.95 is right back to $1. Here's some big ones. DGLY 230, AVCT 230, 280, 466% on that one. Amazing. Here's 145% on Salem Media. This is in 2020. Let's scroll down a couple of years. So many big names this year. Delcath at 2 cents, sold at 6 cents is $10. They must have done a reverse split. No way. CCUR from $6 is 8,550. No way. Yup. It's 8,000 freaking dollars, dude. Holy shit. No way, dude. Did I pick that at $6.35? Concurrent Computer in 2017. Holy crap. CCUR. Whoa, Mojo. There it is. It's private now. Oh, no, that's right. Yeah, CCUR, concurrent. But yeah, I don't know why it's not coming up here. Concurrent computers. Huh. That's great. Here's the results on my website. You can scroll down for a long time, folks. Take a look at them. There are 9 years worth of results. But that one, dude, CCUR. Here it is. 6,000 CCUR holdings. It went to $9,000 a share. Holy madamskis. Look at this. Let me put this in. This is 8,550. That's a 134,000% gain. Oh my God. Dude, look at that gain, dude. 134,000%. That's unbelievable, dude. Wow. Dude, that's unbelievable, dude. This one went up 1,100%. Delcath. That's at $10 now from 2 cents. Had no reverse split. It's $10, dude. Delcath Systems. It had to do a reverse split, dude. Had to. Amazing. Look at this one. NVAX at $1 is 189. NVAX right there. I picked it at $1 on 6/6 of 2017. There it is. NVAX right there. Whew. Look, AVIR at 54 cents is $23. You tell me this newsletter ain't good, dudes, huh? It's 54 cents. It's now 23. Amazing, huh? Scroll down a little bit. Look at all these greens. Oh my gosh, dude. Green, 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 green. Green, 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 green. We're green, green. There's one red. Green, 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 green. Green, 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 green. So many wins. Up, there's one loser. Green, 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 green. Up, another one green. 166, 40, 29, 18, 121. Losing 2. Looks amazing. Green, 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 green. Let's look at these. You ever heard of Real Good Solar? You remember that one, dude? That one got bought out. Here's AVXL. It was on yesterday's biggest gainer. We traded it. It was $5.50 to $6.30. It's $23. Let's go different year. Here's 2016 dry ships. Oh my God. Sunshine Heart from 21 cents to 82. Sold at 200 is at 77.50 SSH. Not even there. That's unbelievable. Here's Broadwind Energy. Warren Buffett stock right there. Told you, dude. Look, in 2016, I made 1% on it. It may go again. That's how I know about it, dude. That's how I know about it. That's how I know about it. Amazing. That was cool to look at. All right, let's get back to this. What am I down in this? 50, not bad. What's Viacom? Went to 42.90. It's 42.60. All right. What's SQQ at? 966 by 67. So we buy the dips, dude, on that Bitcoin. And that's what we did. So for all you crypto lovers out there, we got the Ethereum at 1950, Cardano at $1.27, VeChain at 08, Tron at 059 entry, and Ravencoin at 056 entry. And we're about to Heinz Ethereum where it did. Ching. Coins are bouncing back. Cool. Thank you guys for watching the Mojo Show. Gave you an update on day trading, swing trading, crypto trading, and all kinds of trading. Until the next trading show, peace, keep it profitable, and keep your machines running decently, okay? Let's see what I end it with here. How about, what's this? No, I don't like that. How about, this? Oh, that didn't work. Computer freeze at the wrong moment. There it goes. That was terrible. Wow. Wow. How is that possible? Damn. Well, let's end the show again correctly. Manish, oh my gosh, my goodness gracious. Let's try it one more time, at least with something nice. See you later, y'all. On the next Mojo show, I'll catch you. And thanks for watching. Do a launch.